Good morning! Welcome back to my channel, Atidang Vlogs. Today I am going to try to fix or to continue doing my hair. I'm going to try to achieve a gray color, hopefully. And I got this 050. So I got two of these because my hair is quite long now. And I'm gonna try to achieve the color that I've always wanted. Hopefully I can do it with my injury going on. Hopefully I can do it. It's gonna take me longer than the usual. Just as a disclaimer, I'm not an expert. I'm not a professional with hair such and such. I just do this for myself. It works for me all the time, and I like it. Anyway, aside from that, it saves me a lot of money than going to the salon. See you on the next video for the results, and wish me luck. I forgot to film it, but I put on cling wrap around my head so it will saturate better, and left it there for 45 minutes. Guys, hindi nagpantay kasi saglit ko lang siya binabad. And yung roots ko puting-puti! I'm gonna try to fix this. May dilaw, may puting-puti, dilaw ulit, puting-puti. Abay, Technicolor. Try na natin ilagay yung Wella para tignan natin kung maaayos niya. 30 minutes lang naman, 30 to 45 minutes lang naman yun. So, let's see. So is 1 is to 2 parts of the volume development. So guys, ito yung result. Tignan nyo yung patchy-patching yellow. Mas maganda yung nasa pinakataas. Ito, nasa tapat ako ng bintana. So yan, kitang-kita nyo yung yellow. You can see the yellow patches plus the silver and gray patches. It's only because I did a shortcut on applying the Wella 050 toner. So what happened was we're rushing to get something and to go somewhere actually, and then I have to get it done quickly. So I didn't saturate it long enough. I shortcut the application. But if you do it to full coverage for best results. Anyway, I'm satisfied and happy with the results. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.